What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra specs confirmed. Smartphone first tested before Geekbench announcement. The tested variant is equipped with 10GB of RAM, but versions with 8 and 12GB of RAM are also expected. South Korean smartphone giant Samsung will unveil its next series of flagships called the Samsung Galaxy S22 series in early 2022. But the smartphone has already been tested in the popular Geekbench benchmark, which reveals its characteristics. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra smartphone comes under model numbers SM-S908N and SM908U for different markets and different memory sizes. The tested variant is equipped with a 10GB of RAM, but versions with 8 and 12GB of RAM are also expected. In addition, the benchmark database confirms that the smartphone will ship with the Android 12 operating system and One UI 4.0 installed on top. It has also been confirmed to be powered by a 3.0 GHz octa-core processor. This confirms that the smartphone is based on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC. More information from the Indonesian Telecom certification confirms that the device will support Samsung's S Pen stylus. Just like the Galaxy S21 Ultra, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is expected to be only flagship smartphone from the well-known brand to feature a 108MP main camera sensor. The new Galaxy S22 Ultra will be able to boast a curved 6.81 inches AMOLED display, a 5000 mAh long-lasting battery, and a glass back panel. Yesterday, a reliable insider under the nickname Frontron claims that the most expensive smartphone from the upcoming S22 line, which is so far bears the unofficial name Galaxy S22 Ultra, will in fact be called the Galaxy S22 Note. By the way, this is great news for Samsung smartphone lovers, especially for Galaxy Note line users. The Galaxy Note line is not over, but also it is coming with combo action, the mixture of the Galaxy S and Galaxy Note, the new Samsung Galaxy S22 Note. According to the news, the new Samsung Galaxy S22 Note will be the most beautiful and brightest flagship smartphone Samsung has ever made. According to available information, this model will receive an improved 108MP main module HM3 sensor. As for the price, the basic Galaxy S22 model will start from $849, while the advanced Galaxy S22 Ultra will be priced at around $1,299 respectively. Renowned analyst ICE Universe recently revealed that the series could launch on February 8, 2022, and the sales will start after a few weeks of the announcement. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.